Summer, and today we are here with our unboxing of the all new Dell Vostro 3590 laptop. Oops, sorry guys. Yeah, we have it. It's a big piece we need. Where is it? Yeah, we have our necessary big piece seals here. You should only open it and when we see these two seals, guys, can you see? See, there will be something written. It will be written like service tag and all. Yeah, and the seal from Dell. So guys, let's open it up.
And the small piece of this thing is going to be like
chop, it, chop.
What is this?
You have to chop this tape, okay? Remember. Come here. See here, this one. Yeah. All done. Wait, no, we cannot open it. Yeah, we open it.
This is
Okay, guys. So let's just sit down a bit so that we can show it to you properly. Now let's open it.
and open it and open it.
Wow, guys, look at this. What is this? Now let's take it up.
Yes.
Oh, it's a laptop with wonderful protection. Yes, we have a box.
Let's go through these things first.
Oh, it's like in the instruction manual and the user's manual. Yep.
Sit down, box.
Good boy. So yeah, we have our service and regulatory information. Yeah, we have it here. Yeah, let's keep it back. Important. Now we have our installation manual. Yeah.
What are those? Those two.
Yeah, looks
Complicated or easy?
Now let's go put it.
And see there box.
Goodbye. Now let's see. Oh, this is a charger. Oh, we have watch. Oh, we have an adapter. Let me just open it. Yeah, opened it. Come on. Go in. Down in the box, see? So guys, let's connect the charger with the adapter.
Just right.
Yeah, it goes. So guys, we have a small charger. So that's because this is a new one. So we have a new latest charger. It's very small. So I'll show you the port of the I'll show you the charging port in the laptop. Let's open it. Okay? Like charger. Yeah.
Yes.
Open it.
Oh. Go there.
Okay. Yeesh.
Yeah.
Go there.
Wow.
Yeah. Now open it.
Wow. Wow, it's smooth.
Wow, guys.
Smooth texture.
We have a wonderful textured surface. It's so relaxing, right, Angelo? We have a wonderful Dell logo over here. See, guys? Yeah. So now let's look at the exterior first. We have our battery area and our Vostro written here.
Vostro.
Yeah.
Not Vostro.
Now let's look at the ports. Yeah, guys, this is what I was talking about. The charging port should be small because it's the latest mod. Now we have our HDMI port here. Ethernet port. We have 1, 2,
great.
and
Quick.
3. 3 USB ports. And we have one tiny mini headphone port. Now, yeah, let's go back to this side. We have our micro SD slot. Now we have our USB port which I showed. And we have a VGA cable port.
Wow.
We have our CD drive here. So guys, that's all with the exterior. Let's open it.
Wow.
Wow. We have a processor Intel Core i5 chip. We have a Radiant graphic.
Geography.
We have a trackpad or the mouse pad which we use in laptops. And we have an anti-glare screen. And we have a 720p camera over here. Yeah, it's wonderful. So guys, we'll meet you when we are functioning a laptop, guys.
We are back.
Yeah, on it, Angela. Wow, we have a caps lock on. Like,
No, it's off.
yeah. Oh, we have a Dell starting screen. Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Wonderfully wonderful. Yeah, let's just see it properly. What's that? Oh, it's this. Just a moment.
Just a moment.
Yeah, guys, that's just some seconds or something. Like, just a moment, right? Yeah, let's just go.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Good.
Sign in here, touch a Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
So, guys, yeah, we are back.
Yes! Yes!
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. I think no. Yeah, no.
No. No.
Now let's...
What happened just now? Like, wait, is our mic working? Hello? Okay. So let's just click on it.
Now we have some important setup to do.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, Cortana.
Can you please tell us what is it?
Cortana.
Okay, I do want you, Mrs. or whoever it is. Oh,
Cortana, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, let's wait. Wonderful. Oh, what just happened there?
Charge went out something?
I think it's loading, right? Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, it's loading.
Yeah, it's loading.
See guys, the light lit up in the caps lock key, so which means it's loading. See guys?
Don't
It's
press
loading.
that. It means the caps lock is on.
Yeah.
See, the caps lock is off. Dell again. I never knew Dell had a special assistant called.
So whatever we did now was a pre-reboot. Right, Angela?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now let's see what's new from Windows.
Okay, fine, Cortana.
Okay.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows.
I accept.
Accept.
Look at the mic.
Yeah, let's just click on it.
Accept.
Accept.
Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
So guys, we'll do this with our parents' help and meet you. Bye. Till then. So guys, I hope you understood with all the functions which we did. So guys, now we will use our laptop for, I think 5 days. Then we will meet you. So goodbye till then. Oh, we are back guys.
Nice, those 5 days.
Okay, we are back. So guys, we have used the laptop and we are going to give 2 thumbs up for using it guys.
No, I'm giving 3 thumbs up.
Yeah. So guys, now let's see what's there. Guys, we are going to unlock it.
Oh my god.
Let's just move aside, Angelo. Come on, let's move aside. Open it. Is it working? Oh, sorry guys. Now it's working. Yeah, let's wait. See guys, a wonderful Dell startup is here. Let's wait until it comes. Loading. So guys, we will meet you after we just log into our main window. Yes, we have opened our main window
And somebody's drawing us.
Annie statue? Oh yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, I mean tilted towards us a bit. Yeah, let's just close this photo gallery section.
And put.
Guys, we are here. Can you see us in the laptop screen? If you can see us now, right? Currently we are in the museum, guys. Now let's go. We are scientific. We are scientific, guys. Yeah. So if you have picture, see? Very wonderful. Okay, guys. Now let me go to Notepad. Searching. N-O-T. Notepad. Yeah. So let me write something. Welcome to another song, guys.
We are saying this to you.
We forgot a full stop. Yeah, no, it's good.
Let's see the video clarity.
Now, guys, let's show you the video clarity, guys.
Yes, video clarity.
So let's go to YouTube and show you our first video. So
Yeah, good
YouTube.
evening, Odyssey.
and come on. Then another beginning. Yeah.
What's up, guys? This is me, Alonso here. This is me, Angelo here. And we are from Annoyance's show. Today, we are here with the review of the Logitech B525.
So guys, it has a wonderful video clarity. Guys.
For
Have a
machine
look.
editing. Angelo, this seems to be a very good backend file.
So guys, yeah. So now let's close it. I hope you guys saw it. So guys, let me just switch it off.
This is it for this new lot.
Yeah.
Vostro.
Wonderful. Good night. Yeah. So guys, I hope you liked our video. If you did, just touch the like button. Just touch, okay? And smash the subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell and share it with your friends also. And see you all next time. Goodbye.